Our planet is changing, and so are we. We are witnessing shifts in weather patterns, rising temperatures, and alterations in ecosystems that were once stable. But at what cost? What is the true price of our modern way of life, of the conveniences and comforts we've come to expect? As industries grow, fueled by innovation and demand, as trade expands, connecting markets across continents, and as we consume more than ever, driven by advertising and the allure of the new, our actions echo across the world. They resonate in ways we often don't see or fully understand. This is globalization, the intricate web of interconnectedness that defines our era, but it comes with a heavy price, a price that is being paid by the planet and future generations. Think about it. Every product shipped across oceans, traveling thousands of miles to reach our doorsteps, every plane in the sky carrying passengers and cargo to every corner of the globe, every factory running day and night, churning out goods to meet our insatiable demands, each one pumping out invisible gases that trap heat in our atmosphere. These emissions are the byproduct of our globalized economy. Greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, and other pollutants, the invisible fingerprints of our daily lives. The consequences of our choices multiplied across billions of people. They're more than just numbers in a chart, more than just statistics and projections. They're the reason glaciers are collapsing into the sea, contributing to rising sea levels. Forests are turning to ash, releasing even more carbon into the atmosphere, and cities are choking on smog, impacting the health and well-being of millions. The result? A planet in distress. Rising seas swallow coastlines, homes and communities are being submerged. Storms grow stronger, tearing apart homes and families, leaving devastation in their wake. Forests that once teemed with life now stand silent and bare. Ecosystems are collapsing. Species vanish, sometimes before we ever knew they existed. Biodiversity is diminishing at an alarming rate. Food becomes scarce as climate change disrupts agricultural systems. Diseases spread, exacerbated by changing environmental conditions, and millions are forced to leave the only homes they've ever known. Climate refugees, displaced by a crisis they did not create? Climate change isn't some distant threat, a problem for future generations to solve. It's happening right now. It's impacting communities around the world. And it's everywhere, even here, on our campuses. No one is immune to its effects. I feel it in the heat waves that make classrooms stifling, making it difficult to concentrate and learn, in the rising costs of food and energy, placing a strain on students and universities alike, and in the loss of green spaces that once brought peace between lectures. Spaces that are vital for our mental and physical well-being. But here's the truth. I'm not powerless. We are not passive observers. You're not powerless. You have a voice, and your actions matter. We, students, thinkers, innovators, are the next generation of leaders. We have the potential to shape a better future. And even the smallest steps can spark something huge. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger movement. When I choose to reduce waste by recycling, composting, and making conscious consumption choices, when I switch off a light, conserving energy and reducing my carbon footprint, when I join or start a campus initiative, promoting sustainability and raising awareness, these actions matter. They send a message. They create ripples that become waves. Small acts of change can inspire larger movements. They inspire change, not just here, but everywhere. They demonstrate that a better world is possible. I see students planting trees, restoring ecosystems and sequestering carbon, organizing cleanups, removing waste and beautifying our surroundings, demanding action from their universities, holding institutions accountable for their environmental impact. I see hope, a belief in a brighter future. The future isn't written in stone, it's in our hands. We have the power to shape our destiny. So, discuss, act, change. Let's work together to create a more sustainable world. Start with your campus. Start today. Don't wait for someone else to take the lead. Because together, we can rewrite the story of our planet before it's too late. We can create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive.